So here's a tutorial on how to get the swipe up feature on Instagram even if you have under 10K followers. First, what we're going to do is go over to our Instagram page, and you see the circle with my face on it. I'm going to tap on that. It brings me to my story. Then I'm going to click on a photo that I want to use as my story. At the top, you see the link buttons. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it brings me to my IGTV. Pick one, press done, and then it adds that as a link to my story. So I'm going to share it to my story. Done. And now you see the ring around it, which means that I have that story and it links. But I can't see it from this page, so what I'm going to do is go over to another page that I created for this so that you can actually see the swipe up feature if you don't have 10,000 followers. All right, so I'm switching over to another page, and I'm going to look for my page, search for my page, just so that I can show you what it looks like from everyone else's point of view. All right, so I found the page, I clicked on the link, and see how at the bottom it says watch video? I'm going to swipe up from that photo on the story, and now I can see the video from IGTV. So first you have to, of course, put a video on IGTV, and that video has to be over a minute long. So once you do that, you'll be able to see that button at the bottom that says watch video and tells them to swipe up.